history of reverse mortgages. Where did reverse mortgages come from? A reverse mortgage first appeared in Great Britain around the 1930s and soon spread to other parts of Europe in the decades to follow. After its success in Britain and Europe, reverse mortgages finally crossed the Atlantic and arrived in the United States. In 1961, the first reverse mortgage was granted to Portland, Maine resident Nellie Young, a recent widow struggling to make ends meet. She was graced by the generosity of Mr. Nelson Haynes, an employee of Deering Savings and Loan, who created this loan specifically for her. Initially a simple act of kindness, this type of financing revolutionized the mortgage industry by allowing homeowners to remain comfortable in their home through the utilization of available equity. It was more than 15 years later, in 1977, when Broadview Savings and Loan in Independence, Ohio, formally introduced the first reverse mortgage program called Equipay. In the early 1980s, the U.S. Senate Special Committee on Aging issued a report stating the need for a standardized reverse mortgage program. Other committees throughout the mid-80s cited the need for FHA insurance and also uniform lending practices. In late 1987, Congress passed the FHA insurance bill that would insure reverse mortgages, and on February 5, 1988, President Ronald Reagan signed the FHA reverse mortgage bill into law. In 1989, the first FHA-insured reverse mortgage was made to Marjorie Mason of Fairway, Kansas, by the James B. Nutter Company. The 1980s were also when reverse mortgage programs were first mentioned in national media, in Time and Newsweek magazines, and on Good Morning America. Plus, AARP also contributed to the reverse mortgage education enhancement through the creation of an online informational source and a printable reverse mortgage guide for consumers. Since 1989, reverse mortgages have grown in popularity as a safe, government-insured program, allowing seniors to access a portion of their home equity while never having to make a monthly payment.